Darshan Prajapati, and we are going to start a new course called Master AI Agents, where we are going to learn how to build autonomous AI agents from from prompt to real world actions. So basically, this is a comprehensive, uh, intensive course that you to create and deploy autonomous agents for commercial impact. You will master agentic AI architectures, frameworks, and protocols such as the remarkable MCP. You will build eight powerful agent solutions that can make decisions and take actions in a way that will astonish you. By the end of the course, you will be able to deliver agentic AI solutions to benefit your clients, your company, your career. Prepare for a wild ride. At times astounding, at times surreal, but always immensely satisfying. Okay, so now today our first topic is autonomous AI agent demo using n8n to calculate. Here I will simply showing you how uh, automatic things work in AI agents. So here I will going to take a AI agent called n8n where I will how to let the AI model to calculate your calculations um, based on your prompt or input. So first of all, we will see how an autonomous AI agent can perform real calculation. When the user types something like what's the 85 multiplied by 42, the AI doesn't just answer it, it plans and actions. So the agent converts this query into a structured request and sends into n8n. So inside n8n, we use a function node to execute the actual calculation and then result to the agent. Then AI formats that result and share it naturally to the user, just like a real assistant doing math on its own. Here I will going to take Here I will going to take a simple step to create this calculation workflow in n8n. First, I will create a new workflow. I will going to add an AI agent, then AI agent node. Then I will use my chat model. I will select OpenAI, then I will connect a tool called calculator with it, and then I will show you the result by opening the chat box, and then I will send my multiple prompts and show you how exactly it works. Basically, this is totally a demo lecture where we will going to first of all, as we are going to see a multiple things, so for that, you first of all have to know what it is and how the things actually work. So basically, I have chosen n8n because it is a low code, no code platform where you doesn't have to write very much number of codes, just simple JSON or Python codes, and they will provide you a big captivating outputs. So for that, we are going to see a live demo on n8n screen. So let's move to the screen. Okay, so basically I am at my n8n screen. So simply you just to type n8n.io on your browser and they will let you to this screen. Here if you already have an account like me, you simply click on sign in and go to your account. If you don't have, if you are new to this platform, then simply click on get started. Here you have to fill all your details and they will provide you a free 14-day trial. After that you have to pay for it. Otherwise, you can simply use a 14-day free trial where they provide you 1000 executions. So you can take the advantage of that. Simply, you can uh, connect all these boxes and then can start your free trial. I already have an account, so simply I will very easy to open the account. Hmm, Sometimes okay. Now here I've at my workflow homepage. Simply you have to click on create a new workflow. Here I will give a name called calc demo using. Now what I will do, I will on here I will add a trigger. So basically your every workflow start with a trigger. Now here I will add my AI. Here I will click on AI agent. I will keep it as it is. Now here I will add a chat model. Here I have chosen the OpenAI chat model. If you are new, simply you will not going to see this option n8n free OpenAI app credits, but instead you will see this create new credential. So simply what you have to do, if you have new and you have registered for the first time in n8n, then simply you will see a line before it that you have got 100 credits, free credits. So you want to use it. Simply you can use to generate the free API credits. In that point, so they will provide you a free OpenAI platform to build some models or auto workflows. So here I have already chosen it. So otherwise, you can simply go to the OpenAI platform and you can purchase your API key after logging it. It take $5. So if as we are now learning, so I will suggest you that the n8n provides you 300 API credits. So it will be better to use that instead of paying that much amount. So just do this and simply just come back. Here you have to add a tool called later. Okay, it doesn't have to do anything here. Now I will simply save this and I will open my chat. First of all, I will say hello. Here it replies me, hello, how can I assist you today? It means it's working. Now I will type what's 40 multiplied by 5. I think the answer should be 210. Yes, 42 multiplied by 5 is 210. So basically in this way we see how to create one automation tool that will provide us the basic solutions for mathematics. In the next video I will tell you what we are going to learn in this full course, and one more thing that well I will going to show you in the next topic. So make sure you tune here and uh, watch till to the end. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.